Students, we'll start with next type of problems on balancing. So we have solved problems when there are four masses revolving in a same plane. So today we'll take when five masses are given, how to solve the problem. Okay, so we'll just read out the problem statement, then we'll start solving the problem. Okay, so there are five masses A, B, C, D and E which are attached to a shaft and revolve in a same plane. These are also in a same plane. Instead of four masses A, B, C, D, one more extra mass E is given. Okay, the mass of A is 250, B is 160 Newton, C is 210 Newton respectively. So MA, MB and MC is given. MD and ME you have to find. Okay, and their radius of rotation are equal. So he has given that radius of rotation are equal. Okay, now the angular position of mass B, C, D and E are 60 degree, 135 degree, 210 degree and 270 degree from mass A. So the angles are given from mass A. So you should consider the angles directly from mass A. Directly you need to take. You should not add anything. Okay, so that is successive. If it is given, you need to add. But here it is given from mass A. So directly you need to take those values. Calculate the magnitude of D and E for a complete balance. He is telling complete balance. That means this already these five masses are in complete balance. So when these five masses are in complete balance, you need to find what is MD and ME. So we will take what all the given things are there first. So mass of A, mass of B, mass of C and mass of D and mass of E. These are the four values. So now mass of A is given 250 Newton, B is 160 Newton, C is 210 Newton and D is not given. You need to find MD and ME. So and radius he is telling RA, RB, RC, RD and RE. All are equal, he is saying. All are equal. That means all are, I am taking this as R. All radius are same. So it is same. All are equal means all are same. That is RA is equal to RB is equal to RC is equal to RD is equal to RE is equal to R. So that is the value of radius. So now we will take what is next step, MA into RA. So MB into RB, MC into RC and MD into RD and ME into RE. So now what will be MA into RA? So it is 250R. So then 160R, 210R, MD into RD. MD we don't know, so we'll keep MD as it is into R, ME into R. So I'll keep as it is the values. Now the angles are given theta 1, theta 2, that is theta A, theta B, theta C, theta D and theta E are given. So theta A is given how much? Always it will be 0 degree. Theta B is 60 degree. 60 degree from here, then 135 degree, then 210 degree and last is 270 degree. So these are the values. So next step is you need to find what is the cos of these values, cos of 0 or cos of theta A, right? Cos of theta B, cos of theta C and cos of theta D and cos of theta E. So then after that you take same sin of theta A, sin of theta B, sin of theta C, sin of theta D and sin of theta E. So now take the values. So these values you go on considering. Okay, that is, so what is cos of 0 degree is 1. So cos of 60 degree is 0.5. Cos of 135 degrees minus 0.707. Cos of 210 degrees minus 0.866. Then cos of 270 is 0 degree. Similarly, you take for sin theta, sin of 0 degree is 0, sin of 60 degree is 0.866, then sin of 135 degree is 0.707, sin of 210 degrees minus 0.5, sin of 270 degrees minus 1. Okay, now you know when it is completely balanced, horizontal force for complete balance, horizontal force is equal to 0. That means delta H, summation of delta H is equal to 0. This is the first condition. For complete balance, vertical force is equal to 0. That means delta V is equal to 0. So now you know what is the delta H. So delta H is equal to 0. Delta H, how you can write? Delta H is nothing but M1 MA RA cos theta A plus MB RB cos theta B plus MC RC cos theta C plus MD RD cos theta D plus ME RE cos theta E, which is equal to, see, these 5 masses are there, so I have taken MER also is equal to 0 because delta H is equal to 0. Now you go on substituting. MERA is how much? ME into RA, whatever you have found out. So MERA value is how much? So it is 250 R into cos theta 1. That is, what is cos of 0? Cos of 0 is 1. Similarly, MBRB you find out. MBRB is when you find out. So when you just substitute this value, so it is 160 R into cos theta is 0.5. Okay, plus MCRC is 210 R into cos theta C is minus 0.707, plus MDRD is, we don't know the value, MDRD you keep as it is, cos of 210 degrees minus 0.866, plus now MER is, don't know, ME into R. Okay, this is R into cos of 270 degrees is what? It is 0. So this will be 0, which is equal to 0. So now when you substitute this value, 250 into 1 is 250 R plus 160 into 0.5 is 80 R plus 210, that is plus into minus will be minus. 210 into 0.707 is 148.47 R is there, R plus this plus into minus will be minus. So 0.866 MD into R, and then 0 into this whole thing will be 0, which is equal to 0. Now what is common in all the terms? So in all terms R is common, so I will take R outside. 250 plus 80 minus 148.47 minus 0.866 MD. I have taken this 0, I have cancelled out. Okay, now so if I take common R from each units, so each element, so R will be common, so which is equal to 0. Now you shift this R here, so 0 divided by R will be 0. So when you calculate this value, 250 plus 80 minus 148, you will get 181.53. So when you calculate this value, so when you add this value, so it will be 181, this value will be 181.53 minus 0.866 MD, which is equal to 0 divided by R. This R will shift here, so 0 by R will be 0. So now 181.53 minus 0.866 MD is equal to 0. Now minus 0.866 md will take as it is, which is equal to, see this when it comes here, plus is there here, it will become minus 181.53. now this minus will go with this minus. Now if you want md, just divide 181.53 divided by 0.866. so when you divide, so you will get md is equal to 209.61 Newton or 210 Newton. So it is equal to 210 Newton. This will be your MD. Now we will similarly find out what is ME. How to find ME? Just take delta V is equal to 0. Here we have taken delta H is equal to 0. Delta V will take is equal to 0. Delta V is nothing but how we will find out? MARA sin theta A plus MD MBRB sin theta B MCRC sin theta C plus MDRD sin theta D plus MERE sin theta E is equal to 0. Now go on substituting. MARA is 250R. Sin of theta A is sin of 0 will be 0. So this terms becomes 0 now. MBRB is 160R into sin theta is 0.866 plus MCRC is 210R. MCRC is 210R into sin theta C is 0.707 plus MDRD is how much? MDRD, so MD I have got here 210R sin theta D is minus 0.5 plus MERE is how much? ME you need to find R as it is, so RE will be R. Okay, sin will be minus 1. Sin of theta 270 degree is minus 1. So this will be 0 plus you take common here. When you take, so this will be 0. So when you take R as common, so it will be 160 into 0.866. So when you find out 160 into 0.866, 138.56 you will get. R I have taken common from every term. R I have taken common. 210 into 0.707. So when you find out, it will be 148.47. 210 into 0.5 you will get minus 105 minus ME into minus 1 minus ME is equal to 0. 0 divided by R will be 0. Okay, will be 0. 0 divided by R is 0. So when you find all these values, so you will get 182.03 minus ME is equal to this. Now 182.03 minus ME is equal to 0. Now I will take ME that side. So 182.03 is equal to ME. So this will be your answer. So you have found out what is MD and ME you have found out. MD is 210 Newton, ME is 182 Newton. So this is how you are solving the problem when it is given 5 masses. Simple it is, same procedure. So where horizontal force is there, you equate it to 0. So where there is an vertical force, you equate it to 0. Take R common, then it becomes very easy. So then easily you can solve this problem. Just equate it to 0 and go on substituting the values and take plus sign minus sign correctly. So then you will get the answer correctly. So this problem which is 5 masses, okay, little bit you may get confused. If you see correctly the procedure and try to solve it on your own, then it becomes very easy. So it is as simple as that of 4 masses. Here only you should equate vertical force is equal to 0 and horizontal force is equal to 0. Then easily you can solve this type of problem. So I hope you have understood this problem. So of 5 masses, so when 5 masses are rotating, so how to solve, we have taken ME MB, MC, MD and ME. So these are the 5 masses when they are rotating. What is the value of this? 210 and 182 are the value. So these all are given: 250, 160, 210. Okay, all are given. So these were not given. So we have found out these values using the equation horizontal force and vertical force, and then equating. See, when it is told complete balance, so that means all 5 masses will be equal to, that is horizontal force and vertical force will be equal to 0. So using that logic, we have used these formulas and equated it to 0, and we have found out what all is not given. We have found out just by substituting in horizontal and vertical forces. Okay, so in next part of our lecture we will take one more problem. So this problem you just try to solve on your own.